Welcome to Programming ABC. Now I am making a color picker using VB.NET. I also make a color picker using Python Thinker in my previous video. Let's start. It is a user interface. Color picker form name text color picker by Programming ABC. 3 slider track bar 1, track bar 2, track bar 3. Track bar 1 label red, green and blue slider. Red track bar 1, minimum 0 value, set value, please set value minimum 0 and maximum 255. Same this blue and green slider, and add a panel to label welcome. This panel are preview for color change, and red color value here, green color value show here, and blue color value show here, hex value show here. Now I write code, double click form load and import 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 system system import imports system system dot drawing drawing dot col color. It's okay. text text box text box 1 text text equal track track bar 1 dot val track bar 1 value, sorry, text equal zero and text box 2, text box 3, panel 1, basic back color equal col color. Color dot bla color dot black. Now run it. Black color, black label not seen, label white color label seen, and these 3 value are 0 0 0. And now double click track bar 1, double click also track bar 2 and track bar 3. Now I write track bar 1 code, text box 1 dot text equal track bar 1 dot value. Before this, we write to variable dim kk as col color dim hex converter or hex code as string string kk equal e color from argb first bracket and copy paste blue as integer value track bar 1 track bar 2 green and track bar 3 blue. Track bar 2 panel 1 back color equal kk hex equal string for string format double quote second bracket 0 is to x2 second bracket close second bracket 1 is to x2 second bracket close second bracket 2 is to x2 second bracket close double quote close comma and these three value text text box 4 dot text equal double quote hash before hash for hex value and plus hex. Now copy this, paste track bar 2 text box 2 and paste here track bar 3 text box 3. I almost complete. Now run. Our to label preview window and hex value red value green slider green value change and hex value. Now blue value change it is working. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.
Thank you.